Many businesses struggle with aligning their technology needs to their long-term goals, leading to wasted time, money, and resources. In fact, a staggering 70% of IT projects fail to reach completion. So how do you ensure your technology supports your business, rather than holding it back? As John Jensen, CEO of Revotech Networks, explains, a well-crafted IT strategy is not just about technology, it's about aligning IT with business goals to drive meaningful growth. Developing a solid IT strategy involves several critical steps. First, you need to audit your current IT systems. Understanding what's working and what's not is the foundation of creating a roadmap for improvement. Then, it's essential to align your business objectives with your technology strategy. Whether it's sales, marketing, or growth plans, your IT strategy needs to complement every part of your business. Next, defining the scope of your IT strategy is key. This means mapping out the specific technology, resources, and timelines required to meet your business needs. Following that, you'll need to design an IT architecture, ensuring compliance with all technical and legal standards while planning for the resources required. But how do you measure success? By establishing key performance indicators, or KPIs, that track the effectiveness of your strategy. These should be clear, actionable, and aligned with your long-term business goals. Once that's done, it's time to secure leadership approval, presenting data that shows how your strategy will provide a return on investment. For example, adopting managed services can reduce IT costs by 25% and boost productivity by 50%. To learn more about how to develop a comprehensive IT strategy for your business, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget, you can add this to your Spotify playlist for more insights.